Boss, check out this video.
Have you ever come across someone who rarely uploads photos online? No selfies, no vacation pictures, or no constant life updates.
These type of Stickman videos are fetching crazy amount of views on YouTube and Instagram. And the best part is you can make them for free. Let's go. The first step is to create a script. Script बनाने के लिए we'll use ChatGPT and copy the same prompt that I've pasted here. Make the script 100% original so that I can use it in my YouTube video. The title of the script is Psychology of People Who Don't Post Their Photos on Social Media. आप अपना topic and title change कर सकते हो according to your YouTube video. And चलते हैं next step की तरफ, which is creating visual ideas and images. इसके लिए copy the same prompt that I've pasted here. Create one by one visual ideas for Stickman figures from sentence by sentence of the script. Don't forget to attach the image of your Stickman figure. Stickman figure की image आपको Google, Canva या कहीं पर भी मिल जाएगी. If you can't find it, यहाँ से इसका screenshot ले लो and use it for your video. Prompt में मैंने ये भी mention किया है that I want Google Whisk prompts to create images and इसलिए ChatGPT will create separate columns for script sentence, Stickman visual ideas and Google Whisk prompts. Now the next step is going to Google Whisk to generate our images. Subject section में simply अपना Stickman figure का photo upload कर दो so that it has clarity that this is our subject. फिर one by one अपने Google Whisk prompt scene के हिसाब से यहाँ पर paste करो. And within seconds, Google Whisk will generate images for you. The images that you like and which are going with the scene, उसे simply download कर लो and copy another prompt from ChatGPT and उसे paste करो and again generate the images. Follow the same process of copying the prompts from ChatGPT और उसे Google Whisk में paste करो until all the images from the scene are ready. दोस्त, Google Whisk free है, so keep on generating images till you find the best result. And once you are ready, download all the images and we'll go to the next step of converting images to videos. To convert images to videos, we'll use Meta AI and Grok. Simply ये command paste कर दो in your chat, which is also create video prompts to convert images to videos using Grok and Meta AI. Provide everything in tabular form. Buddy, within seconds, all the prompts would be created for you and ChatGPT इसको provide करेगा in different tabular form so that you don't miss a scene and you get the best results. Moving on, let's go to Meta AI. This is the website for Meta AI. Click on the plus button, then choose create and then image की जगह choose video. Click on the plus button again and attach the Stickman photo. After this, let's go to the prompts in ChatGPT. यहाँ पर we'll choose the first prompt and then copy it and simply paste कर दो and animate. Within seconds, your video would be ready, guys. This is your animated video. You can download it and if you don't like the results, फिर से generate करो since Meta AI is free. We also have another option of using Grok AI. Simply click on Imagine. Then you'll see a drop down of video. इसको click करो and choose the video settings that you need. And once done, click on Animate Image. Don't forget to attach the Stickman figure and your prompt. And within seconds, Grok AI will convert your image to videos. If you like the result, download it. और अगर अच्छा ना लगे तो generate it again. And moving on, the last step is creating a voiceover. For this, I'm using Adobe because Adobe Firefly में काफ़ी crazy options हैं for voiceovers and it has two models. One is the Firefly speech and the other one is 11 Labs. Again, we'll go back to ChatGPT. यहाँ से अपना script copy कर लो and then paste it in Adobe Firefly. Here, you'll find a lot of voice options. अपने script के according, choose one voice, play with the speed, pitch and whatnot. Choose Firefly speech or 11 Labs. Choose any one from the different voice options that are available. And once you're satisfied, simply go and generate your speech. तो buddy, इतना simple process था from creating a script to finalizing the voiceover. And once you are ready with all the data, एक video editing software में सब कुछ paste कर दो and export your video for YouTube. Boss, video अच्छा लगा हो तो please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot. And ये video उन सब के साथ share करो who want to create Stickman videos for 100% free, just giving the time to create it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. Till that time, take care and peace out.